Cisco Certified Network Associate. Lesson 6. Myself, A.M. Khan, trainer for the entire series. Welcome back everyone. In our previous video, we have learned about devices used to create a computer network. Today we are going to learn about client operating system, which is also called as workstation operating systems, and network operating systems, which is called as server operating systems. You have to understand two key technical terms to move further: client and server. What is a client computer? You can think a client as a computer in your network where a network user is performing some network activity. For example, downloading a file from a file server, browsing intranet or internet, etc. The network user normally uses a client computer to perform his day-to-day work. What is a server computer? The client computer establishes a connection to a server computer and accesses the services installed on the server computer. A server computer is not meant for a network user to browse the internet or to do spreadsheet data entry work. A server computer is installed with appropriate operating system and related software to serve the network clients with one or more services continuously without a break 24/7. An operating system, also known as OS, is the most important set of software programs which are loaded initially into any computer-like device by a bootstrap program. Operating system controls almost all the resources in a computer, including networks, data storage, user and user password database, peripheral devices, etc. Operating systems products are very complex software products. Operating system software products are compiled from millions of lines of source code. Operating system products we have currently are created by the hard work of thousands of engineers for decades. Internally, in a company, for example, Windows, or by dedicated global volunteer communities, example, GNU or Linux or BSD, Unix. Network operating system, NOS, that is also called as server operating systems. A network server computer offers its service to a group of network client devices. A server computer typically has more computing resources like processors and processing power, more physical memory, that is RAM, more storage space, etc. compared to client computers. The server computer machine runs on server operating system, also called as network operating system, that is NOS, which normally has more features and processing capabilities compared with the client computer's operating system. The server may be installed with special software to function as a server role. The special software allows a server computer to function a particular server role like a file server, web server, mail server, directory server, etc. A network operating system includes much more capabilities than a normal client workstation or desktop operating system. Most popular network operating systems are Microsoft Windows Server 2012, Microsoft Windows Server 2016, Microsoft Windows Server 2019, which is currently running, Unix, that is Oracle, Solaris, IBM, AIX, HPUX, FreeBSD, NetBSD, OpenBSD, Xenius OpenServer, SCO Unix, etc. GNU Linux, that is Red Hat, Enterprise Linux, Debian Linux, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, Ubuntu Server, Cent Operating System Server, Fedora server, etc. Client operating systems, workstations operating systems, or desktop operating systems. Most popular client workstation operating systems are Windows 95 or 98, ME Vista, obsolete, Windows NT Workstation, Windows 2000 Professional, obsolete, Windows XP, obsolete, Windows 7, obsolete, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, obsolete, Windows 10 Desktop, current, Red Hat Enterprise Linux Workstation, SUSC Linux Enterprise Desktop, Ubuntu Desktop, Linux Mint, Fedora Workstation, Elementary Operating System. So view and subscribe my channel, Network Group.